Hi everybody. I just wanted to come on and give a quick video, and I wanted to talk to parents about how different ways that you can boost some literacy skills in your house while you guys are home. Because I know right now everything is kind of crazy. You guys are their teachers, you're their everything right now. So I wanted to jump on and just kind of talk about how in the kitchen you can use literacy skills. So, what I have is a cookbook. It's a wonderful cookbook, and I've got some things tabbed in here to show you. But I wanted to talk about how you can have your kids help you plan meals or plan a meal or um, the grocery list or anything that you need. So I really like this cookbook because it has pictures. If you open it up, and there's just some really nice pictures in there that the kids will really like to see. This one is something a little crazy they might have never seen, but it's purple potato and kale salad. So you can look and you can see it. Those are purple potatoes. Now, I can probably bet that your kids have not seen purple potatoes because this was the first time I've seen them. So what you can do is open up this picture and say, those are interesting. I wonder what those could be, without reading the recipe, and just kind of have your kids guess. What could it be? I wonder what purple foods we could eat. And when you can't figure it out, you can always look it up on the internet and just type in, help them type in purple foods or different things like that, and then write down what you find, and then you can come back to the recipe and you can add a little math in, because at the bottom here it says what page number it's on, so you can have them help you find the page number, and then go back and you can see that it says 5 to 6 small purple potatoes. So they need to write purple potatoes on the grocery list. And then you need kale. They need to write kale on the grocery list. Now, sometimes, especially at this age, they're not going to be writing the actual words, but that's okay. You can give them a piece of paper, give them something to write with, and just have them pretend. It might look like this. It might just look like scribbles, and that's okay. That is pre-writing skills. That's how they're learning how to write. So, go through the list, find what you need, and write it all down so that when you go to the grocery store, you can buy it. Now, in this, it's a lot of math too if you have them help you make the food, because you're counting 5 to 6 small potatoes, so take them to the grocery store with you. And they don't have to be purple potatoes, but how fun if you could find them. Have them get out a measuring cup and help with that. That just adds a little math to it. But what you can do, another thing you can do, is one of the really fun things that we like to do in the classroom is talk about desserts. So these are chocolate cupcakes. So get something like that, or look it up on the internet, ask them what their favorite dessert is, and have them write a recipe for it. So what that's going to entail is you writing down what they say, or giving them a piece of paper and doing it together so that you're working together to do it. Sometimes you'll get things like, I think we had 3 jars of salsa in ours and a cup of mayonnaise or something like that. So I think one time we had 200 cups of sugar, but that's okay. What we're doing is predicting. We're predicting what is going to be in the recipe and what we might need to put in the recipe. So if they say you need applesauce, put down applesauce. If they say you need potatoes, put down potatoes. You never know what could be in the recipes. And in their brain, they're working on their literacy by coming up with these things and predicting what they can put in it. So what I like to do is give them a piece of paper. I have a piece of paper. We write down what it is. and we predict. And then once we're done predicting, we open up the recipe. So again, we can use the page number and, do a little literacy or little math with it. But then you can go through your list and you can match things. Did you have chocolate on your list? Oh my gosh, well, there's chocolate on our menu or in our recipe too. Did you put applesauce in it? There's applesauce in this recipe. Things like that. So, and then you can talk about, like, why do you need baking soda? Why do you need vanilla? What kinds of things do you need? And then, again, put it on your grocery list, and you can take that grocery list with you to the store, and they will absolutely love helping you make that or eating it or anything, because they helped come up with the recipe and they worked really hard to make that list. So take them to the grocery store, give them their list, give them a marker or a crayon or a pen or a pencil, whatever it is, and have them cross off as they as you find things in the grocery store. It'll keep them entertained in the grocery store for you, and it'll help with all their literacy skills. All right, have a great day, everybody.